Dan John is the godfather of modern-day strength and conditioning. His workouts and training methods have helped everyone from high school athletes to sedentary senior citizens become stronger and lead better, healthier lives. Jordan Syatt is one of the biggest and most trusted names in the online fitness space today. As an expert in strength training, nutrition, and behavioral psychology, his content makes a positive impact on the over 1 million people who follow him across multiple platforms. And I am stoked to announce that both Dan and Jordan will be our featured presenters at Lift-A-Palooza 2024, happening January 26th through the 28th in Nashville, Tennessee. Now in its 5th year, Lift-A-Palooza is a weekend-long strength party where you get to learn from the world's best coaches in a fun and casual environment. This one-of-a-kind experience is guaranteed to be the best fitness event you attend all year. And here's a look at what's in store when you sign up. Dan John is delivering a full masterclass in the art of coaching, assessment, and strength performance. Dan's combination of hands-on instruction and lecture material will give you new insights and practical advice on taking your training to the next level. Jordan Syatt is pulling back the curtain on how he built his online following and coaching business through genuine authenticity and how you can do the same. And as a mentee of Jordan's, I can personally attest to how powerful his ideas and frameworks are to any coach out there. Now, before he was a big name on the internet, Jordan was a champion powerlifter with an incredible 4 times bodyweight deadlift. He's going to teach you his system for mastering the deadlift and how to fine-tune your technique to best serve your goals and body type. And that's not all, because we're also throwing a bars, bells, and barbecue gym pre-party on Friday where you'll get to hang out and work out with your fellow attendees and some special guests while we whip you up some barbecue in the parking lot. Lift-A-Palooza was designed to rival other training seminars that cost well over $1,000 to attend for a fraction of the price. So click the link below or scroll down this page to learn more, and we cannot wait to see you in January. Until then, and in the words of Dan John, let's all keep lifting and learning. We'll see you soon.